Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply Company, and welcome to the fourth installment of our January Hot Products in a Hot Minute. I am very excited to have one of our own with us today, Joe Alberts. He is our Business Development Specialist specializing in the Schneider product here at Standard. Welcome, Joe. Glad you're here.
Thank you.
You're going to tell us about the wireless limit switch from Telemecanique, is that right?
That is correct. Hey, today I want to talk about some wireless and battery-less products from Telemecanique. These are great products. We're having a lot of success with machine builders out in the marketplace with these. They are really super products. The XCMW roller style limit switches that Telemecanique has are really nice. They're compact, easy to install. But that's not all they have. They have plunger style limit switches. They have temperature and humidity sensors, current sensors, and even a wireless transmitter that we can basically use to take any wired sensor and turn it into a wireless. To make these things work, you got to buy a receiver, a wireless receiver from Schneider Electric. And there are a few options here. They have both PNP and relay output options. They have Modbus TCP and RS485 options, and we can do from 32 up to 60 transmitters per receiver. These basically simplify your installation. They basically make it easier for breakdown. Don't have all the wires and the cables, so you can break down your machines for shipment faster. They're self-powered, so there's no battery replacement or recycling costs, and they use Zigbee protocol for best-in-class communication and performance. You can use them up to 328 feet away from the sensors and the receivers. They can be spread out 328 feet, and they work great. So if you need any more information, please reach out to your account manager or myself, and we'll figure out what you need.
Thanks, Joe. That was very interesting. I received what you transmitted. They're all about those Telemecanique wireless receivers. So that's it. If you want to get a quote on this, feel free to reach out to your account manager. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you again next month, February, for a hot product in a hot minute. Thank you.